Good afternoon, everybody. Dear students, today our topic is functions. This is the types of functions. This is Somaras, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, watch my videos and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, listen all of you. Today our topic is different types of the functions. What are the different types of the functions? First one is greatest integer function. This is the G.I.F. Second one is fractional part of function P F P F. Next third one is signum function. Okay, I can take the first one is GIF. GIF means greatest integer function. Y is equal to f of x. This is the box of x. Box of x means that is the greatest integer function. Is called the greatest integer function or box function or step function. Where step of x, so this is the step of x denote the greatest integer less than or equal to. What is the greatest integer? That is the less than or equal to value. Okay, listen, this is the examples. Okay, 2.93. What is the greatest integer here? Greatest integer is equal to 2. Okay, what is the greatest integer? Greatest integer is equal to 2. So how to write this one? This is the number line. You have to take number line. This is the 2.2. Here 2. Next to 2.93. This is the 3. This is the 2.93 here only. 2.93 here only. Okay. This is the 2.93. 2.93. What is the result of the greatest integer? This is the left side only. Left side only greatest integer result. This is the 2.93. 2.93. 2.93 step up 2.93 equal to 2. Okay, this is left side only that is the greatest integer function. Next, root 8. What is the root 8 value? Root 8 value, root 9 is equal to 3. This is also 2 after 3 between value. This is the root 8. Okay, this is the root 8 value. Root 8 value also, okay, after 2 only. This is the left side value equal to this is the greatest integer. Root step up 2 equal to step up root 8. Root 8 is equal to 2. 2 is the our answer. This is the 2 is the our answer. That is the greatest integer value. Next, this is minus 0.01. Minus 0.01 is minus 0.01 is where is there minus 0.01? This is the number line. This is 0. This is 0. Minus this is minus 1. No? Here minus 0.01. This is the minus 0.01. Minus 0.01. What is the left side? Left side value equal to what? Left side value is the greatest integer. The left side value is equal to greatest integer means this is the minus 1. This is the minus 1 is the greatest integer. Minus 1 is the greatest integer. Okay, next another one, pi. What is the pi value? Pi is equal to 3 point something. Okay, what is the this is the number line here 3 to 4 3.14 3.14 like that 3.14 means here only. This is the 3.14 3.1 side value equal to 3. This is the step of pi. Step of pi equal to 3 only our answer. This is the 3 is equal to our answer. 3.99. What is the 3.99 after 3? After 3 and before after 3 and before 4. This is the 3. This is the 4. 3.99. This is the 3.99. This is the 3.99. This is the left side value is the step function. Step of 3.99 equal to 3. 3.99 equal to 3. Next, what is the step value of 5? Okay, step of 5. Step of 5 equal to this is equal to 5. This is the equal to 5. Next, step of minus 3. This is also step of minus 3 equal to this is also integer. Minus 3. Minus 3 is the our answer. This is also 5 our answer. This is also 3 our answer. Okay, this is the step function. Okay, this is the step function. Okay, next one more examples. Okay, this is solve the following equations. Step of x equal to minus 4. Step of x is equal to minus 4. Means take the number line. This is take as number line. This is the number line. Number line here minus 4. Minus 4. This is also minus 3. This is also minus 2. Minus 2. Step of x is equal to minus 4. Means this is the minus 4. This is the value. This one equal to what is the x value? X belongs to this is a minus 4 means closed interval minus 4 to minus 3 open interval. Minus 4 to minus 3 open interval. This is the open interval. Okay, lies between minus 4 and minus 3. Minus 4 and minus 3. 4 is exactly, this is the integer, means exactly value of minus 4. That is the greatest integer is equal to minus 4. Okay, next another one equal to minus x by 2 is equal to 5. Minus x by 2 is equal to 5 means minus x by 2 equal to alpha. Minus x by 2 equal to alpha, take this one. Okay, minus x by 2 is equal to alpha. Step of alpha equal to, step of alpha is equal to minus 5. Take the number line, this is also take the number line, here minus 5, here minus 4, minus 5, minus 4. Step of alpha is equal to minus 5. This is also lies between values of this one. This is the left side, this is the left side value. This is the value. What is the x? What is the alpha? Alpha belongs to closed interval minus 5 to minus 5 minus 4 open interval. Minus 4 open interval is the alpha belongs to. Okay, alpha belongs to this one means you are right, minus 5 less than or equal to alpha less than minus 4. This is the less than value equal to minus 4. This is the less than or equal to this one. What is the alpha value? Alpha is equal to minus x by 2 right here. Minus less than or equal to minus x by 2 less than minus 4. Minus x by 2 less than minus 4. Okay, to take this side, this is the minus 10 less than or equal to, here also minus x less than, this is the minus 8. Okay, all are multiplied with minus. All are multiplied with minus means this is the greater than or equal to, this is the x, this is also greater than, this is 8. This is 8. Okay, what is the x belongs to value equal to, x belongs to, this is the closed interval, this is the open interval. Okay, open interval 8 comma 10. 10 is the closed interval. 10 is the closed interval. This is the x belongs to value. Okay, what is the this one? Step of x is equal to root 5. Step of x is equal to root 5 is the an irrational number. This is an irrational number. This is not possible. Irrational number. Irrational number. This is not a real number. Irrational number, not an integer. This is no value of this one. Okay, this is the pi. This is not a correct value. Okay, right. Okay, solve the following inequalities. Inequalities. Step of x greater than or equal to 3. This is step of x greater than or equal to 3 means here this is 0, 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is the number line. Inequalities are step of x equal to 3. Equal to 3 means this is the equal to 3 means up to so on infinity. Up to so on infinity means x belongs to closed interval 3 to infinity. Closed interval 3 to infinity. Next, this one is greater than 3. Step of x is greater than 3. Okay, take the number line. Greater than 3 means this is the 3, this is 4, this is 5, up to so on. Greater than 3 means this is the step of x is equal to so on. This is up to 4. Up to 4 means greater than 3 means x belongs to here 4 onwards infinity equal to 4 closed interval 4. Closed interval 4 to infinity open interval. X belongs to this one 4 to infinity open interval. Next another one equal to minus 1 greater than minus 1. Step of x is greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 3. Okay, this is the take the number line. The minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Greater than value greater than minus 3. Greater than minus 3 means so this is the minus 2. Minus 2 is the minus 2 to greater value. Minus 2 to greater value equal to x belongs to closed interval minus 2 to plus infinity. Closed interval minus 2 to plus infinity. Okay, next fourth one is step of x less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4. Take the number line 4. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4 number line. 4 less than or equal to. 4 less than or equal means r equal means this is take this side negative. This is the negative. This is the negative value of infinity. Negative value of infinity 2. This is the r equal to means this is the 4 also including. This is the x belongs to. Okay, x belongs to minus infinity to 4. X belongs to minus infinity to 4. Okay, understand. Next, what is this one? 2 into x. 2 into step of x. 2 into step of x plus 5 less than 0, less than 0. Okay, 2 into step of x equal to minus 5. Step of x equal to minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 2.5, minus 2.5. Take the number line, this is the minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 means this is minus 2, this is the minus 1, this is 0, minus 2.5, x equal to greater than, this is a greater than, this is also greater than. Okay, this is also step x greater than minus 2.5, greater than minus 2.5 means 2.5 means what is the step value? Minus 1 to infinity. Greater than value means minus 1 to infinity or minus 2 to infinity. Greater than, not a greater than or equal to, greater than 2.5 minus 2.5, greater than minus 2.5 means this is the decreasing 2 after 2.5. Next, here onwards means x belongs to closed interval or open interval 2 point or closed interval. Okay, right, this is closed interval. Minus 2 to infinity, positive infinity, minus 2 to positive infinity. This is the graph of step x. Step x is the graph of step x is the x belongs to minus 2 to plus infinity, Understand this one. Okay, one more time. Step of x greater than 3, greater than or equal to 3 means 3 also including. Okay, this is the this is the closed interval of 3 to infinity. Next, this is greater than means this is 3 not included, included 2, 4 is included and infinity. Okay, next step of x negative means this is the negative value. Negative extra means okay, above the minus 3 means minus 2 to infinity plus infinity. Okay, next here also same like that only. Okay, understand this one, step x. Okay, understand step x. Okay, graph range and domain of G.I.F, greatest integer function. F of x is equal to step x. X belongs to R, real numbers is domain. Y belongs to Z are set integers are range. Okay, what is the value of this one? Here, x belongs to closed interval. 0, 1, open interval. That implies, oh, what is the value of this one? Set of x0 equal to, what is the integer value? This one equal to greatest integer function equal to what? This is the 0 closed interval equal to 0. What is the step of x is equal to? This is the y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means what is the x value? X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Okay, this is the y is equal to 1. X is equal to step of x is equal to 0 means to x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 2 open interval. That implies what is the step of x? Okay, step of x is equal to what? This is the 1 equal to y is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to step of x is equal to 1 means this is the y value is equal to 1. F of x is equal to y. This is the y is equal to f of x is equal to step x. Okay, next x is equal to step of 2 comma 3 open interval. That implies step of x is equal to what? Step of x is equal to 2 equal to y. Next, another one equal to here. X belongs to closed interval 3 comma 4 open interval. That implies step of x is equal to what? Step of x is equal to 3. This is the y value. What is the graph of the step of x greatest integer function? Okay, this is y is equal to step of x. The greatest integer function. What is the value of this one? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, what is the step of x? Value equal to? Okay, yeah, 0. Step of x is equal to 0 means this is the 0. Okay, here to what is the value of y value? Y is equal to, this is also 0. Okay, 0. Next, what is the value of 1? Step of x is equal to 1. Step of x is equal to 1 means this is the step of x is equal to 1. Okay, 1, 2. This is the hollow circle. This is also hollow circle. Okay, next, another one equal to Next step of x. This is 1 means 2. Next after that 2. What is the 2 value? This is the 2. Okay, this is the circle. Okay, this is the closure circle. This is the closure circle. Here open circle. Open circle. Open circle. Next another one equal to 3. This is the closure circle. Closure circle. This is up to 4. This is the open circle. Open circle. Okay. This is the open circle. This is the closure circle. This is the open circle. This is the closure circle. This is the open circle. This is the closure circle. This is the open circle. Okay. Open hole. Closure circle means this is the step of x value. Step of x is equal to 0. 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means less than 1. Less than 1 means closed and open interval. This is also open interval. This is also open interval. This is also open interval. Next here minus 1. This is minus 2. Here minus 2, minus 3. Next here also minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. This is the y-axis. Right here in this case also here same like that only. What is the value of step of x is equal to 0. Next step of x is equal to minus x belongs to closed interval minus 1 to close open interval minus 2. That implies what is the step of x? Step of x is equal to minus 1. Step of x is equal to minus 1 means y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. This is the y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 2. Here y is equal to minus 1 2. What is the value of this one? This is 1 2. This is this value equal to. Okay, this is the hollow circle. Minus 1 to hollow circle. Next here to here. This is the closed circle and this is the hollow circle. Next another one equal to this is the closed circle means minus 2. Minus 2 is right here. Here x belongs to closed circle. Closed interval minus 2 to minus 3 equal to, that implies step of x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to y. Here minus 2 is equal to y. Minus 2 is equal to y means this is the hollow circle. Next another one equal to x belongs to minus 3 to minus 4 open interval. That implies step of x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to y. Minus 3 is equal to y. Here minus 3 is equal to y means this is the closed circle. This is the open circle. This is the open circle. Next this is the closed circle. Next this is the open circle. This is the open circle. This is the our step function. This is the step function graph. Okay, understand step function graph. Okay, what is the value of 0 is the step value. Step of x is equal to 0. What is the value of step value? 0 to 1. Okay, lies between. This is the hollow circle. Hollow circle means not included. This is a not included circle. Not included. 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means closed interval of 0 and open interval of 1. Here also same. Closed interval of 1 and open interval of 2. And this is also same. Closed interval of 2, open interval of 3. And this is also same like that only. Closed interval of 3 and open interval of 4. Open interval of 4. That is the x value. This is the step function graph. Okay, understand the graph. Okay, right. Okay, properties of G.I.F, greatest integer function. Okay, step x equal to step x only. What is the value? This one step x equal to, this is the step up 2. This is also step up 2. This is also step up 2 equal to step up 2 is equal to 2. Next another one equal, this is also step up 2 equal to, this is also step up 2 equal to, this is the 2. Is integer. Any number you have take, any number is step up 2 is equal to 2 only. That is the integer value. Next integer plus or minus x. Integer plus or minus x is equal to integer plus or minus x plus 5 plus x integer of this one equal to, this is the integer outside. Next plus this is the step of x. This is the step of x. Plus or minus. Plus is equal to same like that only. Or minus also same like that only. 5 plus minus of step x. Minus of step x. Okay. What is the value this one? Step x equal to, suppose x is equal to 1 means total is 6. totally 6. X is equal to 1 means this is the total minus 4 only. Okay, there is a step of plus or minus x. What is this one? This is the value of x. X is equal like that x is equal to take 2 only, 2 minus 1 less than step of x is equal to 2. Step of x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. Next, less than or equal, this is also 2. This is also 2. What is the step of x value? Step of x is equal to 2 only, correct answer. This is the less than value. 2 to 1, this is the right, 2 to 1 open interval. X belongs to this one. The step of x equal to 2. Minus x value equal to 0. Okay, now you have take x is equal to 5. That implies, okay, step of 5 plus step of minus 5, step of minus 5, step of 5 value is equal to 5, step of minus 5 value is equal to minus 5, both are cancel equal to 0. This is the property of step of x plus step of minus x equal to 0. Step of x plus step of minus x is equal to 0. Okay, understand? This is the model question, previous question. Let greatest integer of t denote the greatest integer less than or equal to t. Then the equation step x whole square plus 2 into step of x plus 2 minus 7 equal to 0 in has. Which option is the correct? First option is infinitely many solutions and exactly 2 solutions and no integral solutions and exactly 4 integral solutions. What is the given equation? The given equation equal to step x whole square plus 2 into step x plus 2 plus step x plus 2 minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, you are right. Step x, step of x plus 2, step of x plus 2 equal to, this is the step x plus 2. This is the separate right here. Okay, what is the here? X square, step x whole square plus 2 into, this is right as, 2 into, this is right as bracket, right as step of x plus 2, close the bracket, minus 7 equal to 0. Minus 7 equal to 0. Here right, step x whole square plus 2 into step x plus 4 minus 7 equal to 0. Step x whole square plus 2 into step x minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, write the what is the value of step x? Okay, let step of x equal to alpha. Step of x is equal to alpha. Step of x is equal to alpha means here right here alpha square plus 2 into alpha minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 equal to 0. With the factorize here. What is the value? This one minus 3. Write this side. Next plus 2. 3 into 1. 3 minus 1. Here also write minus. Okay. Plus 2 alpha is equal to 3 alpha minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Alpha is the common. Alpha plus 3 minus 1 is the common. Alpha plus 3 equal to 0. Next alpha plus 3 into alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, here alpha is equal to 1 and alpha is equal to minus 3. Alpha is equal to step of x is equal to 1. Step of x is equal to 1 means what is the x belongs to 1 comma 2. This is the closed interval. This is the open interval. 1 comma 2 closed interval and open interval. Next here also same like that only. Step of x equal to minus 3. Step of x is equal to minus 3 means here x belongs to step of minus 3. Minus 3 is the closed interval and minus 4. Minus 4 is the small value. Okay, here minus 3 closed interval. This is the minus 4 is the open interval. Okay, minus 4 to minus 3. Okay, so many solutions are the solutions also is there here. Next, this is also 1 to 2, also more than solutions. So this is the infinitely many solutions is the our answer. Infinitely many solutions is the our answer. Okay, understand this one. Because so many number of solutions also is there here. X values, step of x values. Okay, this is the number of solutions. The infinitely many solutions of our answer is the correct answer. Okay, right. Okay, listen question number 2. The domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 by root of step of x whole square minus 3 into step of x minus 10 is where step of x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. which are options are there. First option equal to minus infinity to minus 2 open interval union 5 to infinity open interval and minus infinity to minus 3 closed interval union and closed interval 6 to infinity and equal to 3. Third option is equal to minus infinity to 2 open interval union closed interval 6 to infinity and fourth option is equal to minus infinity to minus 3 closed interval and union closed interval 5 to infinity open interval. Okay, these options, four options also is there. What is the given function? This is the given function f of x is equal to, given function f of x equal to 1 by square root of step of x whole square 3 into step of x minus 10. What is the formula here? 1 by square root of f of x. Square root of f of x, that implies f of x greater than 0. F of x greater than 0, right? Take the f of x greater than 0. What is the f of x greater than 0? In this case, step of x is equal to, you have to take x. Step of x is equal to x. What is the value? This one. Here, right? X square minus 3x minus 10 is greater than 0. Okay, factorize this one. This is the minus 10, this is the minus 3. Okay, 5 into 2, minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2. Here write x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 greater than 0. Okay, minus 10 greater than 0. What is the x? X is the common, x minus 5 plus 2 is the common, here x minus 5 greater than 0. What is the common here? X minus 5 is the common, here x plus 2 greater than 0. X plus 2 is greater than 0. Okay, right here this one is number line. Take the number line. X is equal to 5. This is x is equal to 5. This is x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Greater than means this is the does not lies between. This is the does not lies between. Okay, does not lies between. Here right, this one is does not lies between means open interval minus 2 to minus infinity open interval. X belongs to. Here also this is this is union. This is lies between this one. Okay, this is the exactly value, not exactly value, open interval. This is open interval, this one. This is the exactly value or not. Exactly value not there. This is also exactly value not there means this is the 6 onwards. This is the exactly value less than means here closed interval 6 to infinity. Closed interval 6 to infinity. Here also minus 3 closed interval also is there here. This is also not equal to. Okay, right. This is minus 2 open interval and exactly 6 to infinity is our answer. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay, understand? Copy this one. Okay, this is the question number 3. Let greatest integer of alpha denote the greatest integer less than or equal to alpha, then root 1 plus step of root 1 plus step of root 2 step of root 3 plus so on up to step of root 120 equals to what? Okay, right here this is step of root 1 plus this is step of root 2 plus this is step of root 3 plus this is step of root 4. Next plus this is step of root 5 plus this is step of root 6. Next plus step of root 7. Next plus step of root 8 plus up to so on plus step of root 120. Step of root 120. What is the S? S is equal to, what is the series? Step 1 is equal to 1. This is a step 1 equal to 1. Next is step 2 also. This is also 1. Next step 3 also. This is also 1. Okay, here 2, here 1. Next plus step 4 is equal to 2. Next step 5 is equal to, this is also step 5 root 5 is equal to, this is also 2. Step value. Step 6 also 2. Next step 7 also, this is 2. Next 8 also, this is 2. How many 2s are there here? 5. Here 3. Here 5. Here 5. Next plus. Okay, root 9 is equal to 3. Next root 9. Root 10 also 3. Next root 11 also 3. Next root 12 up to so on. Root 15 also 3. Okay, root 15 also 3. Okay, right here 3. Okay, up to so on, like that only. Plus this is the root. What is the value of this one? 3 values. Next, how many members are there? This is a 21. This is a 10. Okay, root 10. Root 10 is equal to 100. Root 10 equal to 100. Okay, up to so on. How many numbers are there? This is the one series. Okay, s is equal to how many numbers are there here? 3. Here 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Next here, how many numbers are there here? 5. 5 into how many 2s are there here? 2. 2s. Next plus 5. Next 7 into how many 3s are there? 3s. Next 7 3s. Next plus 8 into 5 3 5 3 5 7 7. This is the 9. 9 into 3 means this is the 4. This is the 4. Okay, next plus so on. Plus how many numbers are there here? Total 9. Next 11. Next 13. Next 13. Next 7 15 17 19 21. Last term is equal to 21 into 10 times 10. 21 into 10. This is the last. 21 into 21 is there. This is the 10. Okay, this is the 10. 21 into 10. Okay, this is the 21 into 10. What is the value? This one. What is the series? What is the series? Summation of s is equal to summation of how many numbers are there here? 10. Okay, here r is equal to 1 to 10. R is equal to 1 to 10. Here 2r plus 1 into r. 2r plus 1 into r. R is equal to 1. You have to take r is equal to 1. 2 into r plus 1 is equal to 3. This is r. This is the nth term. This is the nth term. Okay, nth term is called this one. Okay, simplify this one equal to summation of r is equal to 1 to 10. 2r square. 2 is right, so outside, right? 2r square. 2r square means this is r square. R square, right? Next plus this is summation of r is equal to 1 to 10. This is the summation of r. What is the r square formula? 2 into r square formula equal to 2 into what is the r square formula? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 and 2n plus 1 by 6 plus r is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. R is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here 2 1s, 2 3s cancel. 2 3s cancel. What is the n value? N is equal to 10. 10 into 11 into 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 3. 3 1s, 3 7s cancel. Next plus here also 10 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 by 2. 2 1s, 2 5s. This is the 55. 11 into 10 is equal to 110. 110 into 7 plus 5 11s are 55. 5 11s are 55. Okay, what is this one? 700 7 1s 7 7 1s 7 plus 55 plus 55. What is the value of this one? Because 55 means 5. This is 12. Next 12 1 8 825. 825 is our answer. 825 is our answer. This is equals to what is the value of this one? Equal to 825 is our answer. 825 is our answer. This is the series. This is the nth term, 2r plus 1. This is the sequence and series. Okay, see the sequence and series before our class also completed. Total chapter completed sequence and series. See the before chapter is the sequence and series. Okay, another chapter is quadratic equations. Wavy curve method also you have a very important in this function chapter. Okay, you learn a wavy curve method. I already told that quadratic equation chapter. Okay, listen that equation, that is the video. Okay, thank you for your watching. This is Somaraj, mathematics faculty, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, watch more videos, go to my channel and check my channel and share my channel and subscribe my channel. Okay, okay, thank you for your watching. Thank you.